Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the month of October and how the price of crude can move in the rest of October. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $87.68. Okay, now if you look at this crude, what we have seen this particular month, after making this particular high of around $95, we have seen that this month 15 days of this month is continuously on the downtrend. Okay, because the profit booking has come at this level and chances was very high that if the price didn't sustain, because it has already made a low of around $81.37. Okay, so if the price again fall below a level of 83, keep that in mind, and a note that if the price fall again below a level of 83, a further downfall we can see. Okay, but if the price keeps sustaining, that means the price move above a level of 89.73, as per monthly chart there is higher chances it will go further upside. Okay, why I'm saying monthly chart, because you have to understand weekly, monthly and day wise all have different SL, because if you are waiting for a day wise, you have to keep your SL as per that, and a week wise as well as monthly wise. Okay, now if we go beyond, that means if we go beyond around 2020, after pandemic, what we have seen, a sharp fall. After that started moving upside, we have seen there is a continuous upside. As you can see that it has, after making this particular fall, it tries to go upside. Okay, it went in negative also, keep that in mind that it went to negative at this particular point of time. There was a fear that it can go further low. If you would have bought at this level, many have bought at this level, and then in just a few months and it went to a level of around 135 and made a high. Okay, this is what we have seen. People have made very good profit. This is the first zone where a profit booking has come. Second zone is this, third, fourth, and this was the fifth zone. It would have gone for the sixth time, but because of the war situation between Russia and Ukraine, we have seen there is a continuous downfall. And till now we have not seen this level has come. Okay, and I have already told you that if the price move out of this zone, because it was moving since long in this zone, it can go further upside. See, that is where it made a high of 95, and after that profit booking has come, we have seen a further fall. Okay, once the price started sustaining of $89, chances of going further upside we can see, but if the price fall below a level of 83, a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next 15 days of October, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high, yes, it can sustain, it can go towards a level of around $88.97. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, then the next resistance coming at a level of around 90.53. okay, and once the price move above a level of 90.53, then a next level we can see coming at a level of $92.11. okay, and once the price move above a level of $92.11, then we can see it will, keep that in mind, once the price sustain above 92.11, okay, chances are very high that it will cross a level of around $93.5. okay, $93.5 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch a level of $95.77. so once it sustain above 95.77, further upside we can see, and then chances of touching a level of around 98.7 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above 98.7, a further high we can see, and then there is higher chances of going towards $109. okay, keep that in mind that if the price sustain above $98, chances of touching 109 will be there as soon as it started moving above this level. Okay, and once it sustain above 109, a further upside we can see. Now one thing you have to understand, the market is uncertain. Okay, the market is uncertain. If the price started falling below that level, chances are very high it will move towards its next support coming at a level of $85.57. okay, so if the price fall below 85.57, a further downfall we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $83.74. okay, and once started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards 83. okay, now once the price fall below $83, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $80.89, and from there a further downfall we can see, and there are the higher chances that it will touch a level of around $77. Okay, So if the price fall below a level of 77, we can see it will go further down, and a probability of touching a level of 74.82 will be there, and then to a level of around 68.32. Okay, this is on monthly basis. On a weekly basis, the next point comes, resistance come at a level of 71, but on a monthly basis it will reach towards a level of 68.32, and once the price fall below 68.32, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description, and clear patterns are forming, so chances are very high that if the price started falling below 83, chances are very high it will go further low, but on a monthly basis it should go below a level of 81.59. Okay, but if it started sustaining above a level of around $89, probability of going further upside we can see, and then 83 you also have to understand, once it move below 83, a further fall we can see. Okay, but when started moving above a level of 89, a further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.